Directive Number 2. Guidelines for Extraterrestrial Observation and Non-Interference. Issued by Mission Command Authority. Objective: ensure all crew members understand and adhere to protocols for observing extraterrestrial environments without interfering with the natural development of indigenous lifeforms, ecosystems, or planetary conditions. Overview. Directive Number 2 emphasizes the importance of passive observation during planetary exploration. It mandates a strict policy of non-interference to safeguard the integrity of extraterrestrial ecosystems and civilizations. This directive also outlines the procedures for conducting safe and ethical reconnaissance missions to gather scientific data while remaining undetected. Key sections. 1. Principles of non-interference. The primary goal of Directive Number 2 is to protect the natural evolution of extraterrestrial civilizations and ecosystems by avoiding direct or indirect interference. Rationale. Unchecked interaction could disrupt cultural development or lead to unintended consequences, including dependency or hostility. Introducing advanced technology or knowledge to pre-spacefaring species violates the ethical responsibility of exploration. Non-interference zones. Urban centers, industrial hubs, or sites of cultural significance are strictly off-limits. Direct observation is limited to remote or uninhabited regions where human presence cannot be detected. 2. Observation protocols. Strict guidelines govern how reconnaissance missions are conducted to minimize the risk of detection or disruption. Remote observation. Deploy advanced sensor arrays, drones, and stealth satellites for data collection from orbit or high altitudes. Avoid direct surface landings in populated areas. Stealth technology. Activate cloaking mechanisms to mask the spacecraft's electromagnetic, gravitational, and optical signatures. Use thermal dampeners to avoid detection by heat-sensitive surveillance systems. Planetary survey goals. Assess planetary conditions, including atmospheric composition, climate, and geological features. Identify mineral deposits, water sources, and potential anomalies for further study. 3. Risk management. To ensure the safety of the mission and the observed civilization, the following precautions must be taken. Detection avoidance. Maintain a safe distance from technologically advanced civilizations that might possess detection capabilities. Use quantum communication to transmit data without generating detectable signals. Emergency withdrawal. If detected, immediately disengage observation activities and retreat to orbit. Erase all potential traces of human presence, including footprints, equipment, or any discarded material. 4. Ethical considerations. Directive Number 2 upholds humanity's commitment to ethical exploration by prohibiting actions that could harm or exploit extraterrestrial ecosystems. Biosafety protocols. Avoid introducing foreign microorganisms or contaminants to the observed environment. Use sterilized equipment and clothing during surface missions. Respect for indigenous life. Do not capture, harm, or interact with local fauna or flora. Avoid disrupting habitats or natural landmarks. 5. Scientific objectives. While prioritizing non-interference, Directive Number 2 encourages comprehensive data collection to advance scientific understanding. Biodiversity studies. Record observations of extraterrestrial life forms, including behavioral patterns, habitats, and ecological roles. Analyze genetic material only through remote spectrometry or nanobot collection systems to prevent physical contamination. Geological and mineral surveys. Identify rare minerals or elements for potential research applications. Study geological processes to understand planetary evolution. 6. Communication and reporting. Transparency and accountability are essential components of Directive Number 2. Mission logs. Document all observations, including environmental conditions, notable phenomena, and any contact risks encountered. Reporting violations. Immediately report any accidental breaches of the directive to Mission Command Authority. Include a detailed account of the incident and corrective actions taken. 7. Training requirements. Crew members must complete the following training modules before embarking on observation missions. Stealth and reconnaissance techniques. Practical exercises in operating stealth systems and conducting covert surveys. Cultural sensitivity. Understanding the potential impact of human presence on alien civilizations. Biosafety protocols. Proper sterilization procedures to prevent biological contamination. Conclusion. Directive Number 2 ensures that humanity approaches interstellar exploration with caution, respect, and responsibility. By adhering to the principles of non-interference, we honor our role as stewards of the cosmos, advancing scientific knowledge without compromising the integrity of the worlds we encounter. To explore is to learn, to observe is to respect. Our presence in the universe must leave no trace, only understanding. Signed, Dr. Ong Der EDF. Mission Command Authority Date, 2021.